If you've ever wanted to start a fitness page, sell digital products, or build an online income stream, but got stuck because creating content feels overwhelming, this video is going to open your eyes. Today, we're talking about something called the Fitness Influencer Profit Vault, and whether it can actually help you turn content into real cash flow. Let's get into it. So here's the reality. Right now, the fitness industry is booming. Millions of people are searching every single day for home workouts, fat loss tips, gym motivation, muscle building routines. And at the same time, platforms like Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok are exploding with short-form content. But here's the problem. Creating high-quality fitness content consistently is hard. You need time to film, proper lighting and space, editing skills, and most importantly, consistency. Most people quit before they even get started. That's where the Fitness Influencer Profit Vault comes in. This isn't just a random folder of videos. It's a done-for-you fitness content system designed to help you start fast, stay consistent, and monetize without creating everything from scratch. Inside this vault, you're getting 300 high-quality fitness videos, 700 ready-to-post gym reels, and 50 motivational fitness audio files. So instead of spending months recording content, you can literally download, rebrand, and start posting today. Now imagine this. You launch a faceless fitness page. You post consistently using these reels. You grow an audience. Then you take those same videos, bundle them into a product, and start selling them on platforms like Gumroad or your own store. That's exactly what many digital creators are doing right now. And here's where it gets even more interesting. This vault comes with full transferable PLR rights. That means you can rebrand everything under your own name, sell the content as your own product, bundle it into programs, use it for coaching or memberships, and keep 100% of the profits. No royalties, no limits. But let's be real for a second. This is not some magic push-button money system. Buying this alone won't make you money. What actually matters is how you use it. If you just upload the same generic content as everyone else, you'll get lost in the crowd. But if you add your own branding, create a niche angle, stay consistent, and build an audience, then this becomes a serious shortcut. Let me give you a simple example. Let's say you take these videos and create a 30-day fat loss challenge. You bundle workout videos, motivation audio, daily structure. Now, instead of selling random clips, you're selling a complete transformation program. That's how you increase value and actually make sales. And the best part, this is a digital product, so there's no inventory, no shipping, no ongoing production costs. You create it once and you can sell it over and over again. So who is this for? This is perfect if you want to start a fitness page without showing your face, want to sell digital products, want to save time on content creation, or want a faster way to enter the fitness niche. But if you're expecting instant results without effort, this isn't for you. At the end of the day, the Fitness Influencer Profit Vault is not the business. It's the tool. The real game is your strategy, your consistency, and your ability to stand out. If you're interested, check out the link in the description to learn more and see if it's a good fit for you. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, would you start a faceless fitness brand? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.